Hi, this is the ABC Analysis. It's a tool used for inventory management. And here we have some data of certain items. Um, we have engine block, transmission, tire, pads, and these are now sorted here according to the volume of these goods. Here's a visualization of the things. And now we have groups of the green part here that refers to the volume of 80%. We call it class A, 80% of total volume. So basically engine block, transmission and tires are the items on this category. Then class B, these are the yellow ones, so brake pads, battery, oil filter, and the remaining parts in the red color are C. So that's where the ABC name is coming from. In addition to the usage value, we can also use annual demand here. So now we can sort them according to annual quantities of each of the parts. So that doesn't take care the value of the goods. We can also make ABC in terms of the unit cost, so we can see the same Pareto principle here, that certain items make the largest share of the whole volume, and this is kind of the key idea of the ABC. On the simulator, we can see all the items now in the classifications. We can modify these, we can delete any of these things, we can add a new item here, create our own sample, even importing some CSV file here, and that will provide the visualization in a certain format. And we can change the threshold values. So let's say that class A would be some other number, let me 50% of the volume or something. So we can change, or maybe now this example, if we make it that 95, so the battery now would be included here in class A, and B would be 95, so we can break it down. And if we have a look on the profitability here, this is another way to look at this. We have the inventory cycle for each of the item. So that basically means how many days the stock is, we are holding the stock for the certain items. And here, for example, the fast one seems to be the battery, 10 days on the average, and the slow moving one here is the fuse, 180 days on the average. And then when we combine on this XY scatter plot, we see also some items with a very fast cycle time combined with high profitability, and then we have items with a very long cycle time combined with low profitability. For example, we have what do we have here now? Washer fluid, for example. So this is one way to have a understanding of the usage value, the sales margin, and the inventory cycle times. We have a learning guide here as well. Some of these concepts are explained here, and there's some benchmark what type of inventory cycle times we might be expecting to have on certain industries, varying from fast moving goods like grocery or perishable goods to then some slow moving industrial equipment, or even some spare parts, very slow moving items in stock. So that's one way to look at these profit matrix and the ABC analysis. Very good. Enjoy.